All right, hi everybody. Well, today's a little bit of a busy one. I got some catching up to do. First off, I got some overwintered peppers that I need to take care of and make sure those guys are good to go, along with some compost that I've been working on that I've gotten a little bit of worms and stuff in. I want to get those in each one of their individual buckets and bags. Let's get it. All right, everybody. So this was an overwintering project that I did, and a great deal of the plants did make it. This is one of my first early on really crappy videos that honestly should be like a behind the scenes take or something. But these are some of the hot peppers that did make it. Now I have here some fresh compost, some fresh dirt. The only thing I want to do is take out like the little whirly spinny tree things. Make sure those are set aside. But I'm going to take this guy here. I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to add in some fresh compost. Bring this plant a little bit, probably maybe half an inch below the top. Filling the bottom with compost, breaking up the compacted root ball that's there now. So it can soak in all the good stuff that I've been working on with the compost. Ooh, my hand hurts. And then from there, I'm gonna add just a little bit to the top. All these are gonna get the same treatment. And then if I have a little bit of compost left over, I have a cheese fry farm that I need to put some of this on. So yeah, all right, we are gonna get started. Here we go. All right, hey everybody. So, you know what? I want to give a shout out to John Meadows. All right, R.I.P. John Meadows. That guy had like probably one of the greatest, most genuine YouTube channels ever. And I will probably start off quite a few of my videos with "All right, hey, hi everybody," just to pay him a little bit of homage every now and again. So anyway, so these are some of the peppers that I overwintered. Right now I'm just checking them to make sure they're not trying to grow like little peppers or bulbs or anything like that, so that the energy can be put back into the plant to grow hot peppers. All right, looking through a few of these, like these are little flower buds here that I'm looking at, so that's okay there. Okay, but they're gonna look like little tiny misshapen. They look like misshapen or misformed tiny little Skittles or something. For example, this guy right here, right? Okay, this plant's gonna expend a lot of energy trying to pump something into this. Guess what? We can afford to let this guy go. All right, and allow it to keep pumping all the nutrients and everything it needs to actually grow edible food. So this guy, we can sacrifice him. All right, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.